Hi fellas, Ben back again, and that is what meets the eye. Well, it's the Himalayan's 5th year, and the third muffler. The second bend pipe and the third muffler. This I am definitely going to make a dedicated video for the same. This is a very, very good option for fellas who are looking for a little more of an upswept exhaust or a muffler for the Himalayan. It's because anything and everything in the market is at an angle. It's way too low. This is at a very, very good aggressive angle, and there's so much that I would like to speak about the muffler, but that's for another time, another video. This is just me walking you through the aesthetics of it. So the SW Motec bash plate leading to a muffler like that. Crazy, ain't it? Huh? For all the fellows who will be wondering why I continue to work on the Himalayan, why I continue to spend more and more on the Himalayan, that's only because this machine deserves it. This machine deserves the mods. This has got nothing to do with making the bike faster. This has only got to do with making the bike breathe better. This is definitely better than, one step better than my Red Rooster performance exhaust. The Red Rooster has been on the machine twice. That is, I've used two pieces. The second one has done about a year and a half, roughly 5 to 8,000 kilometers, 8,000 kilometers at best. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's just that I fell in love with the design of this particular exhaust the moment I saw it online. This is called the Devil Power Exhaust System. So this is manufactured in India, but the parent company is from Italy. So the design is from Italy, and the manufacturing part has been handled in India for cost cutting and all that shipping jazz that goes on, all that nonsense that kind of doubles and triples the price of these things. That can be avoided if you get it here. I came across a video of one Mr. Dev Venkatesh. He is the rally champion in India, motorcycles, and he owns a Himalayan himself. He does all sorts of things with this Himalayan. I wish I will get there too someday, very soon. Of course, as long as I'm going to be persistent, I will get there too. But yeah, his Himalayan had this particular exhaust system, and this comes in two lengths. One is as big as this. This is about 520 millimeters, sorry. And then there's a 420 millimeter version that would be approximately that much less, 10 centimeters less. So the 420 millimeters will end here, and the 520 goes up till there. A demerit to this is the saddle bags, that the saddle stays that were on the Himalayan. They were touching this. I'll have to modify it a little bit to accommodate this, but yeah, just a little bit of a modification on that should do it. But other than that, there's absolutely no problems. The fitment was easy. All that was very easy. I am definitely going to walk you through the mods. This bash plate, the new Enduristan Sandstorm 4X tank bag, which looks as cool as that. And what else? And the new fella, the Devil crazy muffler, crazy. How it sounds and all that in another video. Well, it's very, very mild, extremely muted. They have a dB killer which has 4 or 5 different levels of muffling sound, that is playing with the harmonics, and also a little bit of back pressure. Well, that's for another video. This is just the introduction. I will run you through how it performs, what difference this has made, how can it be compared to all the other exhausts, the mufflers out there. This is just a muffler well within the 80 decibels limit in India. and I'm definitely going to get a pollution certificate to show to you guys that the mufflers don't make a difference. As long as the cat is intact, as long as this is there in the exhaust, nothing else makes a difference. Well, that's how the bike looks. I will definitely see you guys soon with a review video of this, the bash plate, the tank bag, and yeah. Until then, Ben signing out for now. Ciao.